Hello viewers, welcome to you all, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to solve Facebook newsfeed not working problem. If you using your Facebook apps but when you log in but you don't find any kind of news feed on your Facebook apps. So what should you do in this time? In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that step by step. So please stay watching carefully and don't skip any step. Stay watching. So first of all you need to launch on your Google Play Store, and after launch on your Google Play Store then search for Facebook, and after search for Facebook you need to check out your Facebook apps is update or not. Here you can see it's not updated, so make sure it's update. Okay, after that you need to lace back, and now what should you do? Just open your phone settings and then scroll down and find out apps or apps management option, but my phone have apps option, so just open it, and then you should go to manage apps option, and now you need to find out Facebook apps. Here you can see it's showing on the top Facebook apps, so open it, and now on the bottom right corner there have a option clear data, so clear all data from here, and then also there have a option stop force, so make sure stop force. After that you need to go permission option. So guys, here you can see permission, so just open it, and then you need to allow everything like that. You need to allow everything. After that let's back, and now you need to open your Facebook apps, and you need to log in your Facebook apps now. So guys, here you can see now my newsfeed also working now. Here you can see my newsfeed also working now. So guys, in this way you can solve your newsfeed not showing problem on Facebook apps. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.